Hello friends, we are from Ahmedabad Institute of Technology, and as per GTU subject Design Engineering, we had made a project named Smart Wheel Chain, and this is our module. We are 5 members in our group, myself Dhruv, Darshan, Rahul, Yash and Rahil. Now further will be explained by my friend Darshan.
As Dhruv explained, our working model, the main component in our working model is the Arduino Uno R3 module. You can see here. It have 0 to 13 digital pins and 6 analog pins, and this power supply and ground, etc. This is the power supply will be given from the battery, and this is to upload the program from direct to computer, and also this is used to give power supply from computer. Now it used the microcontroller 8MEGA328 in it. The program of our project will be explained by Rahul.
We have simply used the logic that for the normal condition we have stopped that you can see that if else loop that we have for this loop is used for stopping the robot, and in this else if used that if the x is steady and y is from varying, then we can use for left or right conditions, and further program is that if y is steady and x is varying, then you can go forward or reverse. Further will be explained by my friend Rahil. This is a L293D motor driver. It takes digital output from Arduino as its input and gives the output to the motors, and it takes 12 volt supply, and it has conditions are 0 1 for forward and 0 1 0 for reverse and 1 1 and 0 for stop the operation. And further will be explained by my friend Dhruv.
Yeah, in our project we are consisting of 2 motors, each of 100 RPM and 1.5 kg cm torque. And in our project we had placed 2 wheels specially designed for this project, and we are in front of our project. We had consist a ball caster which is rotatable at 360 degree. You can see here it rotates here at 360 degree, so that a particular balance and a particular output will be given to our project. And our project is specifically based on moving here from here and there, so that it will be easy, and by using this ball caster our project cost is reduced. Now further will be explained by my friend Yash.
This is the joystick. With the help of joystick, we can drive the motor forward, reverse, right, and left. Thanks for watching our video.
And please don't forget to like and subscribe our video. Thank you.